Hello again, loves. Rebecca here. Welcome back to the channel, and it's that time of week to play with my old design team collection. Once again, I am using the Scent of Nostalgia from Craft a Clock. I went ahead and fussy cut this amount. Oops. This amount. So I basically just cut till my hand hurts. When I'm done, my hand hurts. And I cut out these pieces as well, because those are going to be my like embellishment clusters. Oh, you know what I did not pull up today? Our sketch, because it is follow a sketch day 4. So let me go ahead and sorry. Get really excited. I should have pulled this up before, so I do want to apologize in advance for not having this pulled up. But I just got to go to the scrapping reflections, which is what I'm doing. I'm just going to scrapping reflections, albums, follow a sketch, day 4. Okay, so we've got 2 photos. I've got 2 photos, one of Maggie looking outside and then one of Maggie looking at me. Probably not in the same context, but it's okay. That's weird. So we got one big, one small with a cluster here, and then a big banner by the Crafty Jen Chow. All right, so those are our 2 photos. I am going to mat them in this. Let's find another piece of paper to mat with as well. Okay. Let's see. Let's go with that. Okay. Because this way you use up more stuff, right? So we're going to double mat them with these 2. I'm going to try to stay more on this end. Okay. So I have a big and a small. We've got a whole bunch of fussy cut and bellies. I'm going to cut my stars. A lot of stars. I don't know if you guys ever notice this, but whenever there's a sketch or any kind of challenge like that, it's like there's a theme. Like the same shape keeps reappearing over and over. So it's like you can tell what most of us crafters are thinking about for that year. Like one year there was like one session, it was all hexes. Like the majority of the layouts were hexagons, which was kind of cool. So this one, it seems like I keep pulling out my stars. So we've got the stars, which are going to be cut, as you can see, go here and here. I'm going to cut 3 stars from that. This is what I'm going to make my banner out of, but we're going to do this piece right here. I'm hoping that it is big enough, but I don't think it's going to be, now that I'm looking at it. So let's see. So we're going to use this one, but that's like wood grain on wood grain. We're going to go for it. I'm okay with that. I just made a really big mess of my little thing there. Okay, so that's going to be our banner piece. And we'll just do that. All right. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and trim the branding strip off of this. I'm going to trim this down. I'm going to make my stars. And I am going to mat these guys. So I'm going to pull from my stash. This is my little focus project right here, is to use this up. And every time it gets low, I refill it with some other random. And I'm looking for one that has just a white background. Please, Lord, tell me there is one. There's these guys right here. 1, 2. And by white background, I meant white reversal. So this is what I've been doing. Let's just use that. Let's see, we got one. Let's use these 2. Okay. And I just clip them back together. These have been sitting around, some of them for over a decade, we decided the other day, and that made me very sad and mad because I don't want them sitting around. So, because I'm going to trim them down so they're no longer going to have that white border. No, actually this one's going to stay. So I'm just going to be able to use one of these. That's all right. We're going to put that over there. All right. Well, let me go ahead and do that and I'll be right back. All right. So nothing is stuck down, but I do have 3 sizes of circles and 2s. So I'm thinking that I'm going to want to make down here and here for my 2 clusters, which means that's going to go there. No. Something like that. So let me go ahead and start gluing down, because that's not going to work for me to just sit there and lay it out. That's not who I am as a creator. Okay. Slide that right up to the edge. So let me get that stuck down. All right, so this guy is gonna sit kind of there. I'm just trying to see. You can't see that anymore. Let's pull that over just a little bit so that we can pull this guy over just a little bit. And then this star is going to go there. And this star is going to sit there. And this guy is going to go right there. All right. So this one, I'm going to tuck under. And probably most of this is going to get covered up with other embellishments, but I'm just starting with a base. So I'm going to do this. Are you going to work?
Yeah.
All right, I love you.
Oh, hey.
Huh? Don't say anything bad. What?
Huh?
What?
I said
nope.
No, I'm not saying anything bad.
Nope. Sorry about that, you guys. Just never know what was going to come out of his mouth, and it wasn't something that I would want to broadcast on YouTube after he did say it. Ah, my sweet little baby. All right. Stick that one there. And this one's going to go here. Whoa, I just broke that. I'm gonna put this one here. How'd that break? Oh. It did. Oh no. Aw. Well, ain't that grand. I see what I did. Okay, I fixed it. Those is my chapstick holders. Aren't they cute? All right. So now I need to go through here and pick out some of these items that I could start to get in there. So now these craft o'clock are double-sided in reverse. It's like the best stinking part of them. Alright, let's do that because it's okay to decorate on top of the photo. And then I want to slide this guy under there. No. So now this is when I start coming in with this glue. But like, okay, so this is not a good one because it's going to be the same. So hold on, let me find one that we can look at. All right. So you have it going this way, right? But if you need it to go this way, well, it's on the reverse. See what I'm saying? See what I'm saying, people? I think that is kind of spectacular. Just saying. So like this. Well, that scared me. Interruption 472. Scam likely did not answer it. So like this little flower's on the right side and the big pink flower's on the left side. But when you flip it over, it's the reverse. So it's, how stinking cute and cool is that? All right. Let me just, let's grab another pink one. I need to put this over here. Let's go this route. We are just going to start tucking in some of these. Didn't I bring it? Never mind. I actually thought I grabbed a whole bunch of those and brought them out, but now I'm not even sure what I did with them. So, all right. Let's get this guy. Tuck him right there. And let's bring this one right there. And then we'll get this little white one and we'll tuck him in kind of right there. So I'm actually looking for smaller ones. Okay. I need a different flower altogether. I keep picking up the same flower. Okay. Now let's just add in some leaves. I guess I'm gonna have to cut more leaves next time. It's like the one thing that I seem to run out of first. I'm gonna keep going with that. Ooh. Because this is the fun part, right? Where you just add your little bitty bits and bobs and make it all work and make it fun. And all right, I think that is going to do it for today's layout. The only other thing that I want to add is it's already got some gold splatters, so we're just going to add a little bit more of the gold. You guys, it's almost gone. And let's go with the teal. So it's a little bit darker, but and all right, that is going to do it for today's layout. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me and watching me use up my stash, and I will see you later with another video. Do not forget to check out everybody that is playing along with Follow a Sketch February, and we will be back tomorrow with another sketch. Bye.